Hello everybody, this is George with Melnix Automotive. It has been a long time since I posted a video. This is a 2023 Promaster van. It's going to work on I think 23 and up. So if your van does not display odometer, you can see there's no odometer listed on the cluster. You can see the mileage. So here's what you're going to do. This is how to bring it back. We're going to use these arrows here, up and down. So what we want to do, we want to go up to number 6. See? All those numbers changing. We're gonna go back to number 6, hit OK, and then right over here you're gonna go down to display, hit OK, then you're gonna go to screen setup, hit OK. Okay, so then you see there's gonna be, I would normally restore it because previous owner changed the options, but you're gonna go down to center, and then you're gonna scroll down and there's gonna be odometer. You click on odometer, setting saved. Yep, make sure there's a check mark right there, and when you get out and you restart the car, it should display your odometer. So watch this when I start the car now. Gonna wait for the message to go away. There you go, you got 11,075 miles. That's how you restore your odometer message or display on a 2023 and up Ram Promaster. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnix Automotive.